Welcome to my channel guys. Today I am going to show you how to make a simple certificate in Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's get started. Okay, let's make a new slide. Delete everything on a new slide. Right click, go to format background. Give some color to the format background. I will dark always white color. Now insert a rectangle for outline. Give some height 7 and width to 13. Okay, align it to center and align middle. Get green color and weight 3.5. Set no color to the outline. Now insert a picture from file. I have removed the background of this photo using Photoshop. If you want to learn how to remove a background in Photoshop, then I will make a new video upon it. Comment down if you want to learn. Make a new. Okay, green, dark green. Set no outline. Okay, all good. Now again duplicate it, make it a bit height small. Rotate to 50 to 60 range. Now select this, go to shape format, just drag it, looks good. Now what we will do is go to insert a picture from here, file, we will insert a ribbon image. I have downloaded this from Google, you will find easily on Google. Make it a bit small, looks good. Now let us go through a background. Always remember this should be parallel to this. Okay, go to shape format, set no line, fill white, transparency 50%. Okay, looks good. Send it to back. Now again duplicate it and send again it to back. Again duplicate it. Always remember this should be parallel to this one. Send it to back. Okay, everything good. Now we will insert icons. Go to insert. Okay, it's very simple in Photoshop to make a certificate. Go to format graphics. Okay, set it to white color, give them a shadow effect. Go to graphic format and height and weight 0.5. okay, make sure this is checked. Make sure this is checked. Okay, go to here, zoom, slide zoom. Okay, let us set here. Now let us do some tags in footer. Let us add some outlines. Set it to dark blue. Go to insert again, insert text. I will use brush script. Increase font, text color to blue. Like this. Now what you will do is hold Option and Shift key from your keyboard and just drag. Good. Again select, hold Option Shift key from keyboard and just drag. Looks good. Now change text. Now let us insert our logo from file. This is my official logo. Now everything is good here. Now just we have to enter a text. I will skip video and enter some text. Okay. Okay, I have written all the text. Now let us start. Make it the center of it. Insert text. Go to text, give it to white color to 51%. Give font to Apple. This font. Okay. Now we will edit this one. Just I will use Arial black. Okay. Now let us increase the font. Uppercase certificate of X. Let us increase the font. Okay. Go to some text, some this one. Okay, good text format. Green. Sorry, blue. Blue. Everything blue. Okay, I will give this to this name here. Okay, just increase this one. I forget to add some text here, so let's add some text here. So let us send these two triangles to backside, and our certificate design is complete. This is very simple to make in PowerPoint. If you want to learn more about certificates, then I will make this certificate in Photoshop. Okay, see you next time. Subscribe my channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.